Welcome back, friend. Now that we know all about consonants and vowels, let's review. Consonants are letters whose sounds we make by blocking air with the lips, teeth, or tongue. The sound B is a consonant sound. Can you think of another consonant? Nice work! Unlike consonants, vowel sounds don't block the air, so the sound can keep going and going. Ah is a vowel sound. Can you think of another vowel? Awesome! We know that vowels are extra important because every word has to have at least one vowel sound. Since the vowel sounds are so important, today we'll go over them one more time to see how they help build words. Let's go! Do you remember the 5 letters we call vowels? Great! The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Each of these letters makes a special sound called a short vowel sound. A, E, I, and We know that vowel sounds can keep going and going, like So why are they called short vowel sounds? Think of it this way. When we build words, we say these sounds for a short time because they're helping hold all of the sounds in the word together. Is the short vowel sound in the word red. Red. Let's listen closely to some words and find the short vowel sound together. Big. Big. The short vowel in big is I. What about in cat? Cat. The short vowel is A in cat. Let's try one more. Hop. Hop. The short vowel sound is Ah. Anytime we hear A, I, or in a word, we're using the short vowel sound. Can you think of any other words that use a short vowel sound? Awesome! Wait a minute. Mia, if these are called short vowel sounds, does that mean there are long vowel sounds? So each of these vowels can make 2 sounds? Hold on, Mia. I think we're going to need to learn about these other vowel sounds. The next time we're together, we'll learn about long vowel sounds. I wonder what those could be. Until then, keep practicing your consonants and your short vowel sounds. I'll see you soon, friend. And remember, your ABCs always be clever. Hey, hey.